Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight.
The interview I'm giving you, I'm trying to see if I can get it all out of me, but I don't know if I'm doing the right thing.
A 10-year-old girl's killing has left the Trelawny community in outrage. A man accused by residents of committing the crime is killed in a mob attack after the child's body is found. His father is also injured while trying to defend him. Tonight, our extensive coverage, including reaction from the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, the Jamaica Teachers Association, and the social media users.
There's a problem in Jamaica with these big men. We prey upon the innocent. She at 10 and you carry out such a gruesome and daring act on a find her in a dirt trail.
Welcome to this special edition of Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for joining us. Donovan Wright. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight in the farming community of Troy in Trelawny, where grief has turned to outrage after the body of a 10-year-old girl was discovered in nearby Tyre district, bringing a heartbreaking end to a desperate search that began just hours earlier. Troy Primary School student Shania Cook had reportedly been sent by her grandmother to a nearby shop shortly after 3 o'clock Tuesday afternoon, but she never returned home.
I just called my grandson and say, come, Alric, come go up on the road, go look if you see your cousin. He go and he come and say, Grandma, me reach out a try, out of the cash pot, out of try cross, out of the cash pot, and me no see Ross a Keja. So he come back to me. Keja come and buy us a lady serve him. And he serve him and tell him, say, Keja, me case and go on one because the lady say she kinda with anybody girl pitney. When he see them alone, he always encourage them. Say, look here. So he say, the girl never delay. He just sell him and she turn out and Tracy say, the girl said to him, say, all right, Tracy. And he say, all right, go on, take time, go on.
I'm the father of the deceased.
The details from Shania's ailing father may be tough to hear for some viewers. Your discretion is advised.
And there was an incident where your grandmother sent her to shop and can't see her return. And by searching for her, they go and find her in this position, word, slaughtered and raped.
Shania's father says that Delroy Cook, the child's cousin, admitted responsibility for her death. However, the alleged attacker's father reportedly denied the allegations.
He is the father, very opulence father of his son. No matter what you tell him about his son, he never wrong for him yet. Until he even tried to trap up people last night because he's defended his son and lock up his son into a room and said his son did not do such act. And unto the long run, the son come out and admit it and say, yes, he have done it.
Residents reported that the alleged attacker has been a menace to the community since his release from prison last year after being convicted of sexually assaulting a boy in the area. Since his return, they claim that the man had made several attempts to sexually assault women in the community. The residents say several complaints were made to the police for them to take action, but the police refused to act.
But all the while you go to the police and the police not going to lock him up. All the while you go to the police until the police going to lock him up. The police not lock him up. Since he come from prison around 4 times in back again, attempt back again, and we go to the station. The police not lock him up. Police not lock him up. So he can now. Police not lock him up. Bad. So since he go to prison, since he do 4 times in go to prison and come back. Since he come back in it around 4 more times, attempt again. And I go to the station, the police say, nah, lock him up. First number say, they're not saying, so and the officer not saying, attempt again. I don't know. Nah, lock him up. So what happened?
Yeah, we're traumatized. Traumatized, depressed. Don't know what to do because it could have happened to my daughter, my niece, anyone. Could have happened. And if you know say man do it over and over and over. And still come in our community if you do the said thing and kill the innocent girl. It's cruel.
Residents say the man's reported admission to Shania's killing triggered a mob attack in which he was killed. The man's father was also reportedly injured while attempting to defend him. Up to news time, his condition remained unknown. Video of the mob attack has been circulating across social media. We have removed or blurred any graphic content to comply with YouTube's community guidelines. Even so, this video may be tough to watch for some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Right now, I tell you the truth, we're devastated. Right now, we don't know where we head from, we foot, we whole are we there. I'm Mobi and me there. Me there Falmouth, my sister there, Mobi. Because I live with my other sister. When they called me last night and tell me. That we have to come up, we can't, right now, from last night we don't sleep, everybody gone 2 o'clock, and now we don't sleep. We can't sleep. We can't sleep, you know. Because this traumatizing. Maybe occasionally they can take him out of poverty. And they cut him life short. Kill him. And the boy, you know, save her. He cut the throat. It was devastating. I tell you.
Meanwhile, the killing of Shania Cook has prompted widespread condemnation across the island. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, the CPFSA, says it is horrified and deeply saddened by the tragedy.
There are simply no words that can lessen the pain of this tragedy. This 10-year-old child should have been given the opportunity to fulfill her dreams. Her parents should have been given the chance to see her graduate from primary school, from university, to see her walk down the aisle. Instead, she was made to become a statistic, another victim of unspeakable violence. We cannot continue to accept these horrific acts as a normal part of our society. Every time a child is abused or murdered, we fail in our collective duty to protect those who depend on us most.
Always try to come first, always try to, you know, a teacher appreciate her. Whether we look at stamp in her book, or then give her a sweetie, or, you know, a teacher them always try to elevate her, make sure that she knows that she do good. When she do good, her mother, we say, Keja, you do good today now, what you want. And we buy something nice for her. Because if you encourage her, not to say you spoil her, but if you encourage her, make sure she knows that anytime she do good, she will be appreciated.
The Jamaica Teachers Association has also expressed outrage. JTA President Mark Malaver says children are among the most vulnerable groups in society and must be afforded greater protection.
The JTA condemns in the strongest terms the brutal murder of Shani Cook. Another child's future has been robbed. We have to, as a society, recognize that notwithstanding everything else, there are some groups that we ought to protect. Our children and our senior citizens are just two of those groups that we ought to protect. And whenever these type of acts happen, we should all be outraged.
The case has also triggered an outpouring of grief and anger across social media.
There's a problem in Jamaica with these big men. We prey upon the innocent. She had 10 and you carry out such a gruesome and daring act. Gonna find her in a dirt trail, clothesless, so we know what happened. We can put in and fill in the blanks exactly what happened, and then after you do the most gruesome act to her, cause you must catch her upon her way come from school. You take the knife and just cut her neck. And it's sad. Make you imagine how the parents feel. And it had become a problem where These adults were supposed to protect these kids, take it upon themselves to do these most heinous crime, which is sickening, sick anybody's stomach. Me see why the resident did have to take it upon themselves to find this perpetrator, because you can't live in a community with somebody like that. You don't have to send them to Jamaica instantly. Yeah, you have to move heaven or hell to get to this person. And that's what the residents of Trelawny did. And send him home. It's sad. It's sad. It's sad. Very sad. Kind of put a chill in your stomach. I hear about it. Me see this happen too much time. At this point, it's sad.
Now imagine now, bro, you're like a 10-year-old, bro, helpless, defenseless. You know all the father supposed to feel traumatized or whosoever. We normally would have protect that little girl. If you know so them never there to protect her from whosoever do it. A little 10-year-old now, bro, what can a little 10-year-old do somebody for them do her like that, bro? Slit her throat. Eh? Then you feel like that the person never do it if you get bring in. It's a fucking psycho that. It's a psychopath that. Fuck psychopath. Man like that nothing go in. Or woman or whosoever do it. Nothing go in. That's fuck up. You don't do a little picnic like that, bro. Where a little 10-year-old could have possibly do you for you get the courage. Eh? And the heart for hold her and her throat. Eh? What? She catch you do something you know you do? And you couldn't let her go? Eh? What? Why reason?
Police continue to investigate both the child's killing and the subsequent mob attack.
Protect the babies, yeah. Allow them, let them grow, no. Oh. Protect the babies, yeah. Allow them, let them grow, no. Oh. Young girl going to school, yeah. I no follow nobody. Cause that man where I call you sexy could be twice your daddy. But no time rough like Greta. Plus your mama don't have it. I still me I make them make them come mess up your body. You dirty man. You dirty man. Leave the people beneath them alone. You dirty man. You know it's wrong, so leave the people beneath them alone. It's a disgrace, man. You're just a waste man, a waste man.
Thank you for joining us for this special edition of Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Donovan Wright, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.